Hello students, how are you? I will hope all of you good health with God's grace. Okay students, what is studied in the previous class? Constructions of quadrilaterals. Yes? Okay, good. Already we know that first two types. Yes? So, one is four sides and two and one diagonal are given. Yes? Second one is three sides and two diagonals are given. Okay, students? Now, to study four sides and one angle are given. Okay, four sides and one angle are given. Okay, students, we are going to the next example and also next type of quadrilaterals. Okay, students, so what is given in this example? Construct a quadrilateral math. Yes, name is math with MA equal to 4 cm and AT equal to 3.6 cm and TH equal to 4.5 cm and MH equal to 5 cm and angle A equal to 85 degree. Also find its area. Okay students, what is given in this problem? Yes, four sides are given. Yes, given four sides. MA, AT and TH, MA. Yes, four sides and one angle. Okay, what is given example in question? What is given question? Find its area. Yes, what is question for given example? Find its area. Okay student, now first we draw a rough diagram and next we draw a main diagram. Okay students, so main diagram name is MAC. Yes, are you interested? Okay students, so now let me take given. Yes, what is given in example? So write first given. Okay, so first we write given MA equal to 4 cm. MA equal to 4 cm. Okay, and AT equal to 3.6 cm. Okay student, AT equal to 3.6 cm and TH equal to 4.5 cm and MH equal to 5 cm and the angle A equal to 85 degree. Angle A equal to 85 degree. Okay students, can you understand? Okay, first we write given measurements. Yes, okay students, write given. Write given in your note, classwork note. Yes, example 5.23. Okay, did you copy your notes? Okay. Okay student, next we draw a rough diagram. Next we draw a rough diagram. Okay, so using the pencil and scale, rough diagram. Rough diagram. Rough diagram. First, draw a line and so quadrilateral have 4 sides. Yes, 4 sides and so any shape. Yes, this polygon is quadrilateral. Yes, 2 diagonals. Yes, 2 diagonals. So this one is called the quadrilateral. So we naming this diagram. First we naming this diagram. This diagram name is math. Yes, math. So M A T H. Okay students, first naming start as always start in this position. First M A T H. Okay students. Students, look at the diagram, rough diagram. Yes, what is given? MA 4 centimeter. Yes, MA equal to 4 centimeter. So write 4 centimeter and AT equal to 3.6 centimeter. AT equal to 3.6 centimeter. So, and TH equal to 4.5 centimeter. TH equal to 4.5 centimeter. And MH equal to 5 centimeter. MH equal to 5 centimeter. And angle A equal to 85 degree. Angle A is equal to 85 degree. So angle A, this one is 85 degree. Can you understand? Okay. Okay students. Draw a rough diagram. Your note. This type of quadrilateral give 4 sides. Yes, 4 sides and 1 angle. Okay students. Okay students, write within 5 seconds. Okay, draw within 5 seconds. Students, did you draw? Okay, good. Okay students, we are going to the next diagram, main diagram. Okay, so turn on the new page. First we draw a line segment. Okay, first we draw a line using scale. Okay, so using scale. So what is given? MA equal to 4 centimeter. Yes. So first we draw a 4 centimeter line. Yes. So this one is starting point and this one is ending point. Yes. So first stay the scale. This one is so 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter. So mark the point. This one is name M and this one name is N. Sorry. A. Yes. A. This one name is A and this one name is starting point is M and this one name is A. Now we draw a math, construct a math. Yes. So M A. Okay. So next we take a, students look at the rough diagram. So A angle is 80 degrees, 85 degrees. So A angle is 85 degrees. So A as center, MA is baseline and we take 85. Yes, and we take 85. So A as center. So we take the scales 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85. Yes, this one is 85 is between 80 to 90. Yes, so this one is 85. This one is 85. So mark the point and draw a line. Yes, and draw a line. Draw the line. So okay students, this one is 85 degree and next we draw a arc. So students, AT is equal to what is given? 3.6 centimeter. Yes, 3.6 centimeter. So use the pencil. 3.6. So 3.6. So start the point. 3.6. Okay student, can you see the scale? Okay, good. Okay students, 3.6 we take. So cut the arc. So arc. So 85 degree and we draw a line. Yes, and next we take 3.6 centimeter and this line is cut. So this line meet this curve is called T, point T. Okay students, can you understand? So now join the MT. Now join the point MT. Okay student, can you understand? So and next we draw a line using compass HT. Yes, HT. So HT equal to 4.5 centimeter. HT is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Now to draw. Yes, so this one is 4.5 starting point. So 4.5, we take 4.5 and draw the T as center, draw an arc. And okay student, and next we take 5 centimeter. Next we take 5 centimeter on the scale and M as center and cut the arc two arcs join, two arcs meet this point. This point name is H. This point name is H. Okay, so now join the 2 points. Now join the 2 points. So meet the point M and H. MH line. Okay, so next we join the H and T points. So okay students, so and measure the height. Okay, measure the height. This line perpendicular this one, so we draw a line. So this one we draw a line. So correctly we say that 2.8 centimeter is this one. So 2.8 centimeter, 2.8 centimeter. And next we draw the line MT perpendicular to H something. Yes. So this one is 3.9. Yes, this one is 3.9. So 3.9. So draw a line. So this one is 3.9 centimeter. Yes. Okay students, so H1 is 3.9 centimeter and H2 is 2.8 centimeter. So now write the scales in this diagram, main diagram. Okay, so what is MA? MA equal to 4 centimeter. So what is scale AT? Is 3.6 centimeter. 3.6 centimeter. Okay, and HT equal to 4.5 centimeter. And MH is equal to 5 centimeter. MH equal to 5 centimeter. This line perpendicular to this line. So perpendicular. Okay. So this line perpendicular to this line. So okay students. So and one angle is 85 degrees. So this one is 85 degree. 85 degree. 85 degree draw a line. Yes. So this one name is we take X. Okay students. Okay students. Can you understand that is diagram? Okay. Okay students, draw your note. Don't overdraw. Okay students, presentation is very important. Okay, so draw carefully. Okay. Students, quick fast. Okay student, next I think all of you draw well. Okay students, next calculations of area. Okay students, calculations of this area. So students, say the formula. Good. Area of the quadrilateral equal to half into d into h1 plus h2 square units. h1 plus h2 square units. Okay student, first we draw after we write steps. After we write steps. Page number 184. Okay students, 6 steps. First we draw a diagram, and next we write steps. Okay, and next we calculations of area. So area of the quadrilateral math equal to half into d into h1 plus h2 square units. h1 plus h2 square units. Okay students, okay, so half into d is d equal to 5.1 centimeter. How? Yes, this MT is 5.1 centimeter. Yes, so this one is 5.1 centimeter into. So students, write this diagram using pencil. Okay, so and 5.1 into h1 is 3.9 centimeter plus h2 is equal to 2.8 centimeter. So square units equal to half into 5.1 multiplied. First we sum and say the answer. 3.9 plus 2.8. Yes, 3.9, 2.8. So 9 plus 8, 17. Yes. So 7 cancel and put here 1 near the 3. Yes. So 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. So 6.7. Yes, 6.7. Okay, so 1 2 is 2. So 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. Balance 1, remainder 1. So and add 0 and 10. 5 2s are 10. So 5 remainder is 5.1 multiplied to 3.35. So multiply and say the answer. Students, multiply and say the answer. Okay, so 3.35 and multiplied 5.1, answer is 17.085. Yes, 17.085. 5 and 5 is bigger, so round off the number 17.09. 17.09 centimeters square. So therefore area of the quadrilaterals equal to 17.09 centimeters square. Okay student, can you understand? Copy your note. Okay, students. Did you write? Okay, students, we are with the next class. Okay, students, bye, take care.